To get your kids started on the game, you need to 1. Sign up for a teacher account, even if you're a parent. 2. Create a classroom on the teacher platform. And 3. Add students, either by manually entering your kids to the classroom you created or sharing your class code with them so they can create their own accounts and join your classroom using the class code. Once your kids are all set up on the teacher platform, head to play.bottleLearning.com or click the big orange play button on our website. A web-based game will start loading, which might take a short while for the first time, but it'll be worth the wait. Boddle is super fun. Once a login screen pops up, students sign in with their username and password, and the game starts. Kids will need to first create their cute little Boddle characters. As soon as they've finalized their look, a short tutorial led by our Boddle male cat runs your kids through how Boddle is played.
Hi there, Boddle! That was a pretty good landing for a first-timer!
As soon as the tutorial is done, practice questions that adapt to the learner's level get delivered to them. Any assignments or quizzes sent to students through the teacher's platform will take priority until they've completed the assignments. For more video support and guides on adding assignments, sharing login information, and more, check out our support page.